Hi, GC News. Meba ubibia kwaba hadi latest hot ekwa era mede bramo. Anunti sewunya subscribe to channel dia bomodi ase obe subscribe. Rawe se obe click the subscribe button no. Na wabele notification no. We had sa video fufuru bia be upload no. When the first person was ebeka sa video. Afi we are na like video no. Give us a thumbs up. Na fi share ma wo fufuro so da wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo gara memwa atentemara yembura ye ensemo abeto yepono so inti yes report ya babetu dwa mu iti sansemu yi.
And I think say it's sad say your politics na dey do a point of accountability and na emma than emma they are not willing to stand up to because sa kokuti na kakabensema ya dey enjoy power no. When it's time for accountability, one will expect the same attitude now. Yes, but unfortunately, no. Today, Diana and Mema Diana na Sabi the Anyara cross or Yare. The Owa Kenya to travel to this country also to be my Zoom.
Serious
nasty stuff I also. And there be a catcher. You see, in the last 8 years, some of us took it upon ourselves. We are advocating for Ghanaians to know the true nature of these people. No, there are people who are saying so we were anti-government enthusiasts that very often things negative about Akufo Addo na buying. But these are the things that not you from afar. Not many people were not seeing. Nipa no mudi and nimno are not genuine people.
That's right.
These are wicked people. More of an president no Kenya because in their personal life, they never thought of political power. About 2 more crime. In the last can our 2 ways is here now offer Biafra as my baby president, mama enjoy ya. You feel say you are not accountable to anybody. So Obiti say Ken Ofori-Atta say he didn't look like he was accountable to even people within the MPP as a
exactly.
Party. That is why that beef breaking up between this Kumasi MPL free Kumasi Omokotu ni no and something doctor
okay yeah
yes and then other people because there were people who were ready to stand up to him said no party in your opposition we didn't even see you all of a sudden off another president and you are taking reckless and foolish decisions at the end of the day endanger only the prospect of the MPP as a political party, but Ghanaians as well. In the end, the future of MPP and net is saying.
That's right.
The future of Ghana for net is saying. So I think that Ghana time has come. As a young your babos who said no. As here the NDC and MPP in the twin chain. The area on your MPP no NDC or your cromfort, and we need to hold them accountable.
That's right.
And that particular way, we need to do it with a manner, very ruthless. But unfortunately, very often emotionally charged party supporters. Now, no matter some man for bus from Kumasi, you see a bar crab because you actually want to me. And then I make a Captain Smart to say, are you aware? Say in the last 8 years of Akufo Addo administration, there is no single project. It cost to $50 million. TME.
Okay.
There is no single project. It cost to $50 million under Akufo Addo that was started and completed under Akufo Addo. Kumasi, the whole of the Ashanti region. But wouldn't to me one person to me pocketing over $55 million. And then the guy even investment or wouldn't to me muno a so change the whole of the Ashanti region.
That's right. Just a single person.
A single person. Now no pocket is sika we nyina na mraba se ombe account a na wo hia ni ba na o ma me yare a se be kejeti akura na wa hwa clinic e o ntumi mfa no nko and I would defend you, be on bit metro plenty and obi timayo clinic no.
That's right.
So I'm saying there's a Ghana for need to know your there are certain nasty political advocacy and certain engagement people will drop because nipa na catch us all political power or move our nyafi onimu din asem to okra on feel but asem to no dia wona waba so age agina na wokwa kodi nipa na chi
me wa asem no kra wonim ho hwe
anya
onti ase
asem no nya so onim ho hwe onti ase se asem wo ti ase na behuhu bibi but sana ya politics no but we be say enhran kan nyame say
ya say MP Eugene Boakye Antwi
Eugene Boakye Antwi yes he's the person people are coming home so Alaska me starting with Ken Ofori-Atta issue I think say it's very bizarre say obi a otena krom ha Ghana boy enu nyina no ye pe one person or you involved in every single decision. I'm a Ghana baby you cannot delete the Ken Ofori-Atta factor from any of the discussion.
That's right.
So the larger corruption puzzle now you try to unlock, Ken Ofori-Atta is the masterpiece. Every single corruption case we have received or you involved, because do you know why? Because he was at the finance ministry. Or don't know the final check winner, sika payment we have because we are aware.
That's right.
Or your person of interest in every single corruption case Ghana akoso. So it is only right and fair so such a person, about availing who to security and agency say. Adiana mo can say net here, minya nisika, say net here. Now we can proceed to the next stage. But my culture said, me better now video to catch you. Say corner or corner,
yeah, you said it.
On yeah, na jeans or beba. And on him say, in some way, the abono no, only a new year. So he will be playing games. Unfortunately for him, when you're special prosecutor or no, when it comes to some of these comic gimmicks now, or yeah,
that's right. But
and the Enra who na minute Dr. Rene interview, you can make catch and say, and yeah, me one was say, Kisi Jabin Baba yet press conference, Manu and see also a press conference. And I'll find a life. So that is his modus operandi. And Kasado doing in some
on the Ghana of Diagro.
Exactly, because engagement in a course between on a Ken Ofori-Atta and Alaska, you move one step inch. And there hasn't been anything because Cecilia Manoka say Ken Ofori-Atta shall say back and forth, no, for us to show say you're serious no, and can asset be you suspect say proceed out of the criminal dealings in this country no should have been frozen by now.
Exactly.
Every single asset.
But should
have been frozen. But the gentleman still and again. Yes, you need to Interpol red alert and a whole lot of stuff. Putting somebody on Interpol red alert, and no, it's not a concluded way. Say what the neighbor room ha. Because this is a guy. No, pioneer make catch Captain Smart said the guy is playing I am sick card, and it's very difficult to evacuate Obi Osoya.
That's right.
On a humanitarian basis, you cannot force him out. And on you willing to come. Ultimate travel to other jurisdictions. Recently, he was in the UK, according to sources. Restaurant. So it means the guy is mobile. He can move around. Obetimi sit in plane. So question be as you hear no so obahabeya no bia no. Obetimi aba, but he's not ready to do that. And he's telling us say Ghana for you ready. And before that, no, I did come 2nd June. 2nd June what tenase my time no so wie na all ba can kire yen say oh when you cancer na the doctors and I make as me as a medical person obinya yare I only sympathize with the person because
right.
I know the pain the ordeal that you need to go through but Ken Ofori-Atta na yare na nyende ono no nam how the finance minister nya hwe ni TSC so atimi so yare dada
o hwe ni na chronic wo
oh now timi say no yare enti ono no yare no is not a new news yenti bi da but the fact is are you immobile I idea immobilized, bedridden, I won't move. The answer is no. So what is stopping him from coming? And then baby are all twisted at the end of the aquafano. A man for things that are very easy. Say or see a Zoom. Now on authorities in the cooperative na same or country. I am telling you, sir, Zoom some now or can in you can in a criminal proceedings I will be sitting in other jurisdiction. US award that mutual legal assistant way with other country. But Ghana no you know moon nisa ya near corporation.
Okay.
So the corporation and I'm saying the gentleman is in other jurisdictions, you know. So person wouldn't engage in that procedure, a criminal procedure and the consequences in the future. And say all the evidence never court. And now say evacuating it in Abakuma say no, you need to go to the appropriate channel. Our US laws will have to come to play. So your Friday be letter rogatory, which the Attorney General here will have to write a correspondent to the AG department in America
right.
to notify them that there is this person of interest. Or you're involved in criminal activities here. We want to investigate him.
Or you're fugitive.
Fugitive or whatever. You per se investigate, you know. And for that matter, no, you hear more assistant just to collaborate with us. Be a bit na yet that video conference and as for no. Basana evidence na bit me dear free nipa no hono. Standard the test of prosecution or court because I wouldn't know question dan chamber na kwa ye no. No, but no say asem na me kan they forced me to. I did it under duress.
That's right.
That piece of evidence that cannot stand the test of prosecution or law court. I be man say a foolish case, and there are other regulations are coming in place are making sure say money you have to go through. So the processes that Ken Ofori-Atta is asking for, it's a long haul and not easy. And again, this is a guy what demonstrates he's not willing to come.
That's right.
And Alaska, I'm saying, say, Obia O play, I am sick card, won't mean for son of Adamba. So also ma, because in the first place, you had not to Interpol red alert said the Kweku Annan making it look like say Kwaku Annan the number. Obia ni baby o so US.
Kweku Annan or to me this John Awewu kokot ma say John Awewu no etumi dibim. Dabio
Alaska. So Interpol red alert na nia brigigi other branch no kwakoto so no. The guy is in America. He's telling you that I'm sick. I can't come. And this FBI kofa Ken Ofori-Atta ochena. Na omode ye fe say niam gugu ne nsa. Na obie na no ka say meyare I'm seeking care in this hospital. FBI cannot extradite him.
That's right.
For them to extradite him, no, it will have to be determined by a court of competent jurisdiction under American law. What you have to do is say, I'm going to find the medical records in US court. I am not fit to go. And the court will have to determine. Either said the gentleman is fit. Say obetimi atena play mu. Akọ Ghana. Akọ standard prosecution because prosecution grele no. It takes a lot from you. Hypertension in as for no ma. Untumi kwa na o ma man for baba no pie ba no so hu no. So it's a hell of a
as you can say na ukura na utumi na ntu ko bampo na nei wada na apachi. Mema o.
Yes, until you can imagine say Ken Ofori-Atta ko to ma ono de ababa no. So these are the realities and he's just playing games and playing on the minds of Ghanaians, making look like I am ready to come, I am ready to cooperate, I'm ready to do this. But the reality, he knows that processes now all Kasayan subjecting to know it's a long haul.
Exactly.
Because Attorney General have to sit down, engage, get clearance from the US Department. We can equally do it through the US Embassy just to quicken the process. Now we are. Now said the gentleman is not coming, and then what is the point? So my argument has always been, sir, you see,
our assets were Ghana.
Yes, we need to be very radical, making sure, say, putting him on internet, your friends say Interpol red alert, it doesn't change anything. Because China, say, oh, play, I am sick card that you can't force him out. And so what I'm saying is, say, special prosecutor without Ken Ofori-Atta can proceed with your criminal case. Another day, you give him options or and say or sin and no some about try to paper so manufacture to paper so and then the lawyers are here, just engage them.
So we can try him in absentia.
You can try him in absentia. Because if he's not willing to cooperate, if he's not willing to come and or say the lawyers are nipa na adon ya transia mana Gyamfi ekwa awie dey na betimi aye and he's in another jurisdiction. You can't force him. Ghana any extradition treaty with the United States of America. Amono money ye wo. Okay. And the America betimi aba have for obi di na akoba ye no ye kwa akofa obi di na ba is a different thing altogether. It can only work on mutual cooperation, not any treaty. What I say?
That's right.
So you see the complexity. So Ken Ofori-Atta no onim we nyina ne lawyers nim and playing I am sick card no cement the every strategy be o ma adopt. And the Kweku Agyapong the oya no nyina ya me say emotional campaign na no pai na me catch say sir office of the special prosecutor the decommission no nyansa bia nim fa so bia ni so a waste of taxpayers money.
That's the agree there.
Oh yes, because
if I understand how I may take what you are saying there. And now you here MB before you now one more say perceived some here corrupt officials and now almost corrupted. And then omunya kwa no mu yifim no kodo America. I'm sick oh.
Oh na say Alaska. You see
me pepe na gu ho.
Na me obi dwane akono. Eno no enye we yo. This is your country. Say obebo kro no nti adwane akwatena ba bia that is up to you. Me that alone na nkasa is sentencing for me.
Okay.
Because this is your country. As any dignified person, you should be proud to be able to come to your country and go any point in time. But if bibinti say won't be ma ukroma yet say you try was you. Okay. And in the villages in those times, you know, the biggest crime will be committed. Try was you. One kasa ukuro near win to me, that alone for me is enough. What I say? The obi and just over let the person go. Maslog mami I can as a mean. Say ya sentence no.
That's right.
Also play am say card be sort ho. Wow ukuro near win to me,
And you only mammy Obana Wabokro.
Alaska.
We can feel
what about Bina or Sabi Mamia Una Papa Bakura won't be my ye. Again, sometimes in say I didn't share what the higher crowd they are over to me. That's right. So for me, that is enough. And that tells you the criminal intent with which these people rob this country. And to more motiva no more so yet to chroma. Papa Kwasindium, etimi create nyuma fa man for ya adwuma.
Asem we na
babeka no to ya woka. Ye fa na adwuma wura. Ewie na papa na dan eka wura. Ese eka eso Kwasindium no amana ba akokora by force. Because a man for businesses or no ankasa ni businesses ni na se for nom okobi ade bi se friend Gold Coast hwan. A man for I have a friend who is a medical doctor.
Fund management.
I have a friend who is a medical doctor. As at now, the 40,000 shame, there be about no soon. Obi dear 1 billion, obi dear 2 billion. Nina shame, Nina because of this kind of writer. Because at the time I told you we had an option. Because you see, financial sector having this liquidity challenge around the world is all over. So what you need to do is as a finance minister, you strategize. Look at the American example in 2008 when they introduced the TAP, that is the Trouble Asset Relief Fund. Your friend saying, wait by Obama, or making sure all trouble assets, you know. The giant businesses in America, like JP Morgan Chase, and then as if one go and buy them.
That's right.
And they bought them and revive all of them. I know that they Fannie Mike and other companies, you know, were able to revive and they employ more Americans to work. This is a guy who is so dangerous to the extent say, or no banks no him said these banks in as for because of political vindictiveness, he decided to collapse these banks. I know that they Obi or your bank manager or coat or Koware na yere because of a bank manager. So say ma super coat in
that's right.
All of a sudden, nipa na dying or to preko. From bank manager to Obi or to preko. You can imagine say the was assassin life amount all of a sudden. They did all these things when we had an option. So Ken Ofori-Atta na man for see hu no mobo no. Ono de team audio we are free Agyapong.
Oh.
Agyapong say on Ken Ofori-Atta na net we di nkomo. Amoaben.
YouTuber.
Yes, ono kra bo Ken Ofori-Atta bosia. Or kwani village akwakoda or down and my friend who phone so catch and say awunyante ye. O bank ni ya wawa ye bubugu police for ebubu bank nugu. Aya wawa everything atimodin this nkrofo way e operate okroma. Even Rollins kra no ye military person no did not use those methodologies.
Here aya sedu agongo. Yes, said you are going to go. I was some work court in tea. On to me, only a bank. Our court, it has nothing to do with the bank.
Yes,
but oh, good bank.
Yes,
and that's also what some. So must we also say, what some our on my court? It will new one in a young guno. And the understand MPP people will come.
Maybe because in the bank conference saying data bank.
That's right.
It's still operating. And the nana ye pay what you want
insurance.
So Alaska, so you see how dangerous near man Krofo ye no Kroma say. Enti Obiya Nabjin say, oh, you should the same measure to go after that. That is why I told you the last time, say, when power is slipped into the hands of a fool, they think that they are sitting on the moon and they use this same power to destroy themselves, destroy everybody. But on them say, oh, Nimyan Santin, oh, and that kind of what that now relax it, now play back the mind and near my way no Kroma or no other who say, my bonnet young Krofo Braba, you are now also ma. So another day, Obiti Baby no saw MPP Nintino, me call ye demonstration, na Ken Ofori-Atta no I say ya. You should know Sasa Binyansa and new team. Because the time the gentleman was operating with impunity with that team or there, yeah, Kwabena Agyapong, there were other options he could have. And the Papa Kwasindium, or Yarisha them.
Oh, that's right.
Wabubu nukra atuwesian and co. Abrante ya no ye beige capital. Oh. There was a time we were traveling across the country. Me say every single village bi abakobia na Abrante we be a bank or just trying to bring financial help and accessibility to people at the rural areas.
Me say Kwaku Syndrome onukwa ni branches na do so commercial bank.
Alaska, these businesses, you know, you see, and easy sir because of people they were dealing with, you know. So challenges and those there, but you as a sensible government, you find a way to how to handle them because government so support to some of this enterprise to grow. Because I know the say enterprise new grower. Uncomfortable for some mayor juma. Ghana for no mudo. So the burden of unemployment our minor grapple with, no. So they pay taxes and our minor move because a growth of an economy is just about financial transfer. transactions are Elkoba.
So
right. You're able to activate it down there. So it's not always the case at Miklosu Bank. But these people gave us all funny justification why they needed to collapse these banks. And aside that, Yanti Kromha, Ena Mkra, Etidiase, Oko Norfa, Mkra Maiwa Free North, Ebatana Yakaya Ye, Naya Tam or Mainsikasi Yakusi Cathedral. A cathedral na yesiru nim senyansa nim yetena krom ha kanyansa say
I'm different na the way like
na no do ma hene kan asem bi say President Mahama investigate all the cases na otutara cathedral. I'm sure say he will know no peace in this country because asofo na omo ka ho a sa cathedral asem no baaye no we have to go after each of them
and as asofo ya po no madani prayer tower
yo ene de nyo obi asem Alaska on my sika na yehwehwe so cathedral no obi o ka ho bia sa akisi hwan sa machoman no so for machoman no
that's right
and no more ka no ho nyina you see me say this time no we need to change the rules of engagement na yan rewrite the political narrative na yan hu say going forward no ufoma enya madam funi ni menua ni abiem because over the years that is the politics that we've been doing so obi anana me ka kire we say the difference between obi o NDC aban mu and na wanya post one to me the difference between you and no a time because you should know that time is coming you'll be in wound to me's position
exactly
and when you to me na sabi o sinsem hunu nem kwasem na wodi bedi a you should know say a time is coming na one so no oba be wound to me because the Ato wound to me e beto obi wo there be that is when you don't do things well so me the American nyina no say Ken Ofori-Atta modus of operandi na say for no the gentleman enya ready so baba kroma we will sit here next year ye baba betena ha be cancer Ken Ofori-Atta still no my because in some o kekan o say obekọ ye friend say okoye surgery
obekọ cancer
cancer surgery so there complication you know to meet see and as to whether recovery when na cancer no kwa nyama no yare dada nipa no nam ho no yare dada so da be na no ho beto no but my point is that Ken Ofori-Atta you be if he is willing to come into this country the state securities will take into account his present medical situation. You can arrange with them. You can come. Say by ya in cautionary statement, whatever be no just provide because what may you didn't come. You understand? Now what my 2nd June deadline and son abakache and say your schedule. Ebasa say you don't respect the people. And for me that is the card that he's playing. And that disrespect, that vulgar attitude or mode at the servo Ghana for that time, you know, is the same attitude today. Because sa brenda na omu take decisions are bosia born ye nyansa nim ye ko Eurobond ye kwagina ye kenke party ye levy na ye edi huru Ghana for that belligerent posture attitude na no mumu obia no that is the same thing in play here. So for me I think that is good say Ghana for extra how disappointed Ghanaians are because for various social media people are really angry because ordinary as Ghanaians you know Sanko be Yarea, Alaska, we sympathize with the person.
That's right.
But at this point, and I'm the Ken Ofori-Atta you don't even see anybody sympathizing with him because of the why the cancer diagnosis sorry. Yeah. But that's not what people are saying. A man for say, well, otiasi o yanko twene form. Obi kura frame na no say the message chirem say ni evacuation ni complex na yanko kidnap ni yamfa ne shebotom. Na yamfa ne mra Ghana. Because that is the only way. You understand? But for me, I think say first case you know Gyamfi special prosecutor that guy is only playing games.
No already he's from there. No will never appoint somebody on yet.
And you see why this issue you know here because Cecilia the pie issue you know fire and I dying foolish case you know. Matisa Yoko for I recommend this
That's right.
It means that the gentleman is not doing anything or he's just from fooling everybody. Because you know where he's coming from.
That's right.
And Saka bulletproof car say Ajumano Akuko Cram for Akukon court. Nano Matisse say or the take and no special prosecutor mandate you know and yen do buy massa. Now all this service and other people, if they are really working, they can get these people to get our money back. You understand? The intent and the purpose for the establishment of the office of the special prosecutor from day one, so a further drain on the public resources. We need to decommission that particular way, scrap it and resource the AG department, resource Yoko and other institutions with the prosecutorial powers to go ahead and do prosecution. Now you're making sure your prosecution, you're really serious. And Alaska, apart from Untumi and Kono, there are several other people in the coming days, you know. I think that the same approach we need to. And for me, it cannot just be yadnako yoko na gidi ya wie ya man bill. No, ya hu sa issues ya hu bebre eko yoko ba die. To me, no, everybody is following.
Oh, that's right.
Me say we need to change the political narrative in this country. Say, enya here for muko we am kontomri nkwa na ko prison. Enya omo we aponche nkwa ne. A man for mo tenasi we millions of dollars in the name of dirty politics. You know, they must begin to see the inside of jail. Sabe ya best serve as a lesson because in the past, Tatuchi Kata no man ko da jail.
That's right.
Sir Victor Solomon and so forth. And I heard the amount of money involved in Sika on the kwada jail. And we are obesu.
And we are a branch here be a woman, a menu, Alaska. We nkosi bia na we dey hwe am say boss. We am sorry. Na the JM second coming when anyasa JM na who mura atwam no. We are in the legacy term. Na obe jailing no. I am telling you.
Alaska, na me ka say whether John Mahama will be successful or not, and that is up to him. Ghana for your the 2 million amount. The other bay is what determines your future. You have a freeway. I say, ya top brand new car man, the Kusi highway so amount. Your city as well, as I was winty as name, because and wow,
that's right.
Time has come as all right to the political narrative. The young who say, Ghana Nana Mamfo who say, oh, people in the name of politics, you know, and I'm saying, yes, structure politics, and any fool at all can just jump in there. To me,
serious.
I'm running here, Muboni. Yes, also a national chairman.
Wouldn't to me.
Yes.
And I only say Nadia Wekran, Asante campaign platform.
Yes.
And then I'll call MPP headquarters. I will be an end or Dania Pachi on to me, Casso say, why yet is when you're my stroke. And I'm not to 29. And also, Chairman, you do be not just I said the general secretary.
Now we are serious. I acquire the Catera Macaca. No, our Kakova is on general secretary. Casagro to me, Casa. Oh, when you're serious, and I'm a Casa, you see, the MPP need to take time to rebrand themselves because you see, the intellectualism caveat tonight, they are trying so hard to delete from the element of the party. And the video,
I'll be a division of
Alaska. And do you see any signs of reasoning in that act they do? Because it won't to me, Casey, won't to me, second day no money bail. Second day no money bail.
That's right.
I'm reason say bail no so. Me catch us say in 2012, Wyoming was giving 54 million.
I have all the material.
Alaska Ato Forson Adorye way. O man 600 million. Number one, your man 500 million bail. 500 million.
Ato Forson, o man 675 million.
Okay.
Kofi Amuabe 110 million.
Okay.
Kwabena Agyapong. O man no 100 million bail.
Okay.
And now on no san kwa no ni nkrofo and about 650 million.
Okay.
So
yes, number one 500 million.
Number one 500.
So if they gave that joker a 50 million, you sit there and tell us, when the amount involved in his we no cry far larger and bigger than. And I'm say these are intellectuals. You see, emotions have eaten the bigger part of their brains, so they are just acting emotional. No rationality in the way and manner they operate. So for me, to me case in the so on this Ken Ofori-Atta issue, you know, I'm saying say. President Mahama, as a matter of urgency, must find a way to scrap this special prosecutor. And Sasikana Yedeko on found resource the AG department at every region. You're making sure the Attorney General department are very effective.
Right.
I will good lawyers and prosecutors at any point in time because you see, we cannot center all the cases in Accra. And the coffers are crowded because the number of people who are supposed to face prosecution.
That's right.
Let us divide them. We cannot hold all of them here in Accra. What I say? Now you're making sure that we are really making a progress.
Yes, special prosecutor. Me chawa OSP because enra me tie OSP no special prosecutor wan hye dan case papa bi ankyere yen Ghana fo de ani apase etie no wan kan kyere yen yo bra adwuma no em se bro so. And me I'm one person who is against that establishment of SAP OSP office na nkasa na esi ho no sa office na mu na esi ho no na yes OSP office no nyansa bi ani mu mame faso bi ani so mame omo ya dai we are just wasting the state resources. We are just wasting money. And no one better certain as some pote be na pass ye Ghana for ye catch then yentie the okika kwesi yenti ne krakra ne say OSP kwame na me I didn't see any sensible thing that he said yesterday. What is it? Mo Bia sound no be bi. What's your
2025. Mr. Ofori-Atta's lawyers informed the special prosecutor has diagnosed Mr. Ofori-Atta with cancer and has earmarked 13 June 2025 for surgery, for which reason he would be unable to return to the jurisdiction as scheduled. His lawyer stated that to the knowledge of the OSP, this change in circumstances has been brought to the attention of the court, before which Mr. Ofori-Atta is presently pursuing a human rights claim against the OSP and the special prosecutor. His lawyer stated further that in order not to hold the office back in the performance of his function, they had Mr. Ofori-Atta's instructions of his readiness to go through video recorded interview for the purpose of eliciting his caution statement. His lawyers offered to meet the special prosecutor in person or approach the bench for the purpose of viewing Mr. Ofori-Atta's biopsy report, whichever suited the special prosecutor. Now, ladies and gentlemen of the media, this is where we are now. Now let us step back a bit from the 28th May 2025 letter from Mr. Ofori-Atta's lawyers and place the matters in their proper context. I have intentionally went through a tedious timeline. The letter from Mr. Ofori-Atta's lawyers, dated 18 February 2025, clearly indicated that the possible surgical intervention to be performed on him was to occur on 20 and 21 March 2025, upon which reckoning the OSP carefully considered the recovery period and indulgently pushed Mr. Ofori-Atta's attendance at the OSP to 2 June 2025. By a letter dated 28 May 2025, Mr. Ofori-Atta's lawyers informed the special prosecutor has diagnosed Mr. Ofori-Atta with cancer and has earmarked 13 June 2025 for surgery, for which reason he would be unable to return to the jurisdiction as scheduled. His lawyer stated that to the knowledge of the OSP, this change in circumstances has been brought to the attention of the court, before which Mr. Ofori-Atta is presently pursuing a human rights claim against the OSP and the special prosecutor. This is totally unacceptable and a baleful spite at law enforcement and criminal investigations. It ends here. It ends today. We will no longer accommodate him. Consequently, the OSP redeclares that Mr. Ofori-Atta is a wanted person and a fugitive from justice. His name is hereby re-entered on the OSP's list of wanted persons. The OSP will take all necessary legal steps to secure Mr. Ofori-Atta's return to the jurisdiction and to answer to the criminal inquiries against him. In pursuance of this,
Ghana for winning Madia Bakwa and OSP, the press conference no Kaya, and Mammy who said a Chaskelena, Ken Ofori-Atta, any OSP now winning the lawyers or Modebo Ghana for. When him says all this one, no, Muklabu Ken Ofori-Atta Yareno. There's no medical reports. Yadiama or no OSP near Chesampa, Ken Ofori-Atta Yario. It's a no natural letter. He is sick near the Abreno. No aje, no now. You see, Ghana Yadiniama Bediatuo. Share cases I had your Ken Ofori-Atta Yana, me, Nina may sure say a cases. But the most annoying part, the most annoying one, is our cathedral. If not for anything, on my biana and 1 year, Safotimi Cotinasi. Near Cassia Bessia Sorridine. Now, Sorridine, Yaba Bessiano. Adanya Esiwa Dada. I do a my sickasiano. Young Buntungu. Nanya Kafufro. Effort to a minor so. Now, you see, the whole concept of Sa Cathedral does not make sense. Akufo Addo question the talk one baby say, Erado Mamidi president, I may see asare diama. Eno ene ya Ghana for a yenin wo chakabe. Me kwasha me ba bi na Awurade me Awurade me sraw ye CTV me nya me pese me ye adwuma wo ho me pese me ye adwuma class media Awurade me pese me ye adwuma class media na nyame aya dom boss keke de say ya abra me pese me fu adwuma keke de fa me adwuma na me ba ya na first Smith na ma fra Robert na ma fra Ofani me she nyame boss me pese me ye adwuma wo CMG enti boss na me share no me share boss me oya ma me a me ma no e bia 100 million mo first camera enya nkwasiasem Some ma bomb and paya chile nyame no na nyame atie me no me ba no ma fra adwuma ya fo mo wo CMG so mo ma boa me na boss na me share nyame no me kwadi so enya nkwasiasem o enya nkwasem. You see, there are certain things I am perceived that cannot cry. Charges I had yabo Ken Ofori-Atta and Messi anu hu yame. The yame wom na makano. Sa national cathedral concept no a dam. Na judges se danya yado a man sikasie. Na Kwabena Agyapong nyame say yom budai no tungu adanya any 3 years. Ya waste wa man sika me tax ka ho, and that's the reason why it's so painful. Ya me kabia na me sasame dia bufuo na eka ya de me tax akwasi dayama judge ni say judge ni nkwatira mu no akwa we ne na ado no ba ya ene ne Bawumia no wa matumi awanyame anim say sa dan no ye buntungu adan ya Akufo Addo ahyenya bonti no ya pere bia si aso dan Dabio, we need a coin assassin that was as yantam no, but you see a son away near you more, meba. Yes, I saw that with Chabia, a year and I say, ye. Yes, I saw that Oko Saglema area was Shaquano Social Hills, at the whole bagaya, me patcha on your sin, the reason why I'm particular with this case, and I say, and near more year was our cathedral site, just a yakumasha. Ya bu dani na tuagu adani bi wa ya see akwandi wan ya bu because Akufo Addo abaya president wa she nyame bonti no I mean just adam ani ade na wo ya ka $1 million kra wonim na dodo $1 million wonim na dodo na ya ka $58 million ya de ayedan ya the two foundation ni atimi atina krom ha na panyin toto awa mo so amunim nyansa wo kwaka yesi wo didi panyimfo atem na de omo ye nkura be sa de we ni ase yakra ebo ade free Israel ni ya beto ha na kwa say oh God of mercy. And all we is telling us to say all this one only medical report confirm say Ken Ofori-Atta say wo yare ampa letters and ya tro ne de ma no that office is useless and it has to be scrapped. More promise Kisi Jabene ne office in mo pam mo here Attorney General sa case we Gyamfi kan akwanesem Kisi Jabene Gyamfi nisem I was say you akoni NAPO before mo ba ma mutisim na Kisi office no kwa mesem ntum nyansa bi anim OF no ada ne konongo kaya me a me so a me ntwe me humbo bi mbesoa e no tare ade no ho. And all these years, and you are Ken Ofori-Atta do my Ghana nipa be 32 million or the Agri Diakro. Who is he? Or the Yenya Agri Diakro? Who the $58 million out to Amena? Hey, and you see, that is no more bono. Say about come him, and they say obey surgery on June 13th. Yet ya no ma be catch say surgery no ko ye no on recover ye oba recover September or September ne ba so no ni aka catch say ya sa diagnosis bi before ye ne be ho so na 4 years aso hey Attorney General masa mama ye mem ani enko sa line no ani enko sa line Ken Ofori-Atta ye nya winfiri no ye pay sika me do mo bi ko fa betum no me anya no na hia me o to amode kwafo betum no me enya no na fa me ho dia fa me ho ne sika no the money involved ye sika nipa no de sika bra ya mo pa mo nya no akwa me fa me ho se mo tumi kwada mu a me de na menya frim ni asa de me tax ata bia na kwaba no prison ho e nonsense kura ma on for ye sika ba ye asase na wa se no no on kwa reclaim simple sky today no yam some would be back to me and no and family home. $2 million na say dey akwa feasibility study go say not today not from cry you one no not today na wiem ye hia $2 million asem bia ne ba bia because me tietie mu kra no sa $2 million no kwa me say Ken Ofori-Atta ho chaso no de sika bia bakwa yi bia kra no finance minister kwase sika bia obi abedi wo kwama bia o na esan ye chani na $1 million kwa uni ma de betima ye okroma ya na Ghana ha ya bra ya ko IMF ya de conditions ato ya so sam ye fa ni pa adwuma nyina de na ye $3 billion so adoni sikai ama ya ko sha IMF ne IMF de conditions ato ya so ye ntimi fa ni pa adwuma. Then you come and tell us, say, all this one in Ken Ofori-Atta about medical report. So what were you who OSP name with Kisi Jabina no see one? And then I know when you so and all this one out to watch Ken Ofori-Atta. Now we him so Babana. And you have been one Guinea Diago, we saw the one Guinea Diago. That offense is useless. Now the Danko Akufo Addo said that critics are there to deceive us. Dear mammy, man, Jina na dwendi. I was our OSP office no ho. I announced principles na ene adane evo ediamo mwankasano. Na na do Jina simply so catch the young Ghana for say or the announced principle and the betu corruption say. We actually ya say announced principle ni ya command di from court. Ya command di kama a judge for no more no emma announce principle no e di fufro kra acha so ambe so mo chese ade na say ye na Akufo Addo di ya campaign emma ye Ghana for to ye tirim no afa de na do se sa principle no won pe upe OSP enti ayade bia yen creating fund deceive Ghana for say aya ne se yakokota hye ne de ada na all this one sisi ya senya se Ghana for ko bisa ya yokofo akofa sisi da package ne baka bisa OSP say sisi da package no sorosoro ho na osososo ho na wa ayete se akokwa wodi aburama akokwa wa soso ho no na nka be kwa kosi ada na yedi ye ho wu se oman ko baby ko hwe chi company kro mu ni bi na mo amko boss ankwase achenku no wo yoko ho no ko baby a ye de contract mba wutumi so ankoye kwan no senka wote hobi ana wonnim kro no hawo mo famu a wonko gina ho meka se na me wo boys wo boko go there us kokro bi so ensu ombe no prayer problem na kwabra ne atena ha say me the $58 million me the two amena na OSP wo to wo be ka stories a kire yen etine kura na say wonim so the interpol be kwa kofa Ken Ofori-Atta wo be boy amane e fa nya den de ye hwehwe ne se Ken Ofori-Atta wo krom ha onfa ye sika ma yen me Ken Ofori-Atta mo jeli no kwa me anya no na ye me interest o me fa ho mo jeli na be ha me because ahwe ye sika bekam ye timi feeding wo prison onfa ye sika ma ye ye ni asem bia $2 million no mo nje ma yen Mustafa Amidi dia na aba no those characters involved, no, I'm not interested in them going to jail. I'm interested in say yabeji sika. Ni ade akoyo omani ye e simple. For frontline Net2 TV no so. Ye ni adaje mo bia wo krom ha wo. Ye ji sika. President Mahama, the main reason why we voted for you is hard, no. Ye pay sika. Would ye sika ma no anya ye cry ye no ya. Na said ye why ye wunya ye dem biem. Dia why ye. Wunya ye dem biem. And a full power 11 city. Kwasa all your kwawe aya de. Almighty God crab at 1252. Eti John Mahama, dia why ye pa wunya ye dem biem. He dia why ye cedi ne dollar. Pounds in euro, damn biam na ya through ho. Dia ya through one say ye sika nkrofo awia no, je ya bia ma ye asama sa.
Yo waiting for winning and someone about beto yepono so because so when you subscribe to channel dia Bawumia say obe subscribe na while like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo foforo so na when you be here na who and somewhere ekoso e wo Ghana memu hadam. Also betimi a chere wadwen afa yen somewhere nyina ho e wo comment box mu. In my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.